Hey everyone! Here is the painting from the airbrush video. It's so colorful. I absolutely love it. I mean, it's got like every color of the rainbow in it. I love it. Alright, so today I am actually pouring on, hang on, I'm going to show you what it is. A piece of like wood panel stuff. I'll show you what it is that I cut to go in this big old frame. So I'm going to do a hair dryer, and I already put the paint on here just because I didn't know if it would be a good consistency because I just made it yesterday and I hadn't used it yet. It is the ARTEZA, I'll show you. This is what it is, mixed with Floetrol and water. Hang on, I'm gonna zoom you in a little. I realized I forgot to do that. And I am wearing an apron because I am still in my pajamas because I have been awake since 1:30 a.m. I went to bed at like 10. I've been awake since 1:30. So I watched some TV. I came down here and painted. So if you happen to see my hair, still sleepy. So this side is the rough, and the other side is the smooth. I primed it, and this stuff's good to fill in with frames because it's real lightweight and easy to cut. I mean, you still need a saw, but I don't know if it will warp, so that's mainly what I'm finding out. But I am so happy I found this apron. I'm like, I think I may start wearing it. Since I don't cook, I may as well wear the apron for painting. A little bit more. So yeah, so that's why I probably sound a little stuffy, a little just not quite awake. I cannot believe. I even looked up to see if like Walmart was still open 24/7. So could I go shopping? Walmart is not open 24/7 anymore. Oh, I gotta grab my paper towels. It was kind of spooky painting like in the basement by myself at 3 in the morning though. It's kind of weird. Weird feeling. Alright, so I've got Artist Loft Deep Magenta. And ARTEZA Pearl Turquoise. For a nice little iridescence. ARTEZA Indian Yellow. Such a pretty yellow. And Mystery Blue. And if the outcome is bad, I'm blaming it on lack of sleep. And if it's good, I'm saying maybe I'm a genius and I need lack of sleep. Like, Who was it? Da Vinci? Who was it that slept like an hour a night or somebody? Somebody brilliant. Actually, I am stopping right here because there was a pour the other day that I started like this, and then Roger and somebody else said, what would happen if you mallet smashed it right then and there? And that is what I'm going to do if I can find my mallet. Alright, well, I can't find my little one, but I found my big one. So let's see what happens. Whoa. It's entirely green. But that was a great mallet smash. Like, for real. Awesome. Awesome mallet smash. Because normally I mallet smash just puddles. I am going to tilt because I've got a ton of paint on here since I was going to do the hairdryer. But that has all changed. That magenta is gone. Like, so gone. I have no idea where it went. But this was a genius. Thank you, Roger, and I'm going to have to look back on who the other person was that was like, yes, I want to see that too. And I need to look and see what video it was. Oh, it was a triangle. It was my triangle where I started with an airbrush and then I ended up mallet smashing it towards the end. But it did start with an airbrush. I would have really have liked some of the pink, but this is really pretty. I could even like a bronze for the frame because this is more neutral colors, which looks better in a frame, really. I'm going to tilt the whole puppy out because it's looking pretty sweet. And I'll know quickly if it's going to warp. And if it does warp, generally they flatten out on their own. But if not, I have to affix this into the frame anyhow. So that process will flatten it. I'm so excited about this. I should always paint at like 5 in the morning. Maybe this is when my creative juices are at their highest. And I'm just wasting them in bed, sound asleep. I'm so super psyched about this. And I'm super psyched that I remembered that they wrote me that message. I mean, I have tilted it out of the usual mallet smash look, but I am totally okay with that. Because I got something good going on. Love the colors. I see a tiny bit of magenta up on this end. Oh, and a little bit right here. Side a little bit more. Because I made a big puddle and then I put a lot of white. So that's why there's should I tilt that off? Tilt it off. Oh, I am so happy with it. And I think I avoided paint on my pajamas, which are really just my nice lounge pants. I have my painting lounge pants, and then I have my nice quote lounge pants. Let's see if I can. I love it, I love it. There you can see all the different colors. I wonder what a blue frame would look like. That might be a bit too much. I think this is super cool. I love this. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye.